Hey guys, how likely is a recession in 2020? This is the question of the hour. It's on everyone's mind. Hi, I'm Mark Mitchell with Virtual Properties Realty. We need to remember that next year is a presidential election year and probably one of the most controversial elections yet. There's going to be a lot of questions and political debates about the economy. Why is it so good? And questioning if our economy is going to decline. So this can stir up a lot of hype. There have been 4 major surveys this year asking experts if they believe we are going to see a recession. 67% do believe we should see a recession by 2020. Pulsenomics surveyed analysts, and 59% believe that we will see a recession by 2020. Why do we think this is? We've been in the longest recovery in American history, so we should expect to see a slowdown. The GDP will slow down, but let's look up the Webster's Dictionary definition of a recession: a period of temporary economic decline which trade and industry activity are reduced, generally identified by a fall in GDP in 2 successive quarters. We need to remember that recession does not mean housing crisis. In 3 of the last 5 recessions, housing prices actually increased during the recession. Obviously, 2008 was the most dramatic. Now, on the same survey from Pulsenomics, they asked if they anticipated a recession. They also asked in the same day, at the same time, same exact survey, the same analysts, they were asked what would trigger the recession. Number 1 was trade policy. Number 2 answer was stock market conditions. And number 3 was a geological crisis. Number 9 on the list of triggers was housing slowdown. In 2008, our largest decline in appreciation was because of a housing slowdown and the situation in the mortgage industry. This year, we're not even in the top 8. Also, in the same survey, on the same day, they were asked about the median appreciation of housing. All the analysts said that the housing prices are going up, not down. Appreciation is going to slow down, but the prices are still going to go up anywhere from 2.5% to 4.1% through 2023. Why is this important to know? We don't want to get into a panic about buying and selling and become afraid that it will be like 2008. In fact, Morgan Housel, a well-renowned financial analyst, said an interesting thing, that the widespread assumption that the next recession will be as bad as 2008. Natural way to think, but statistically highly unlikely. It could be over before you even realize it began. Prices and appreciation are expected to be more normalized. Don't let all the hype about a recession scare you from the dream and benefits of home ownership. In my opinion, it's still one of the very best investments that you can make. According to Mark Fleming, First American chief economist, he says if the 30-year fixed rate mortgage declines just a fraction more, consumer housing buying power would reach its highest level in almost 20 years. So what does that tell us? It tells us don't be so caught up with all the hype. Make the move, and as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and have a great day.